SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to enable swipe text on iPhone 15 Pro. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. Normally, if you want to type on your iPhone, then you need to open an app that uses the keyboard and then tap inside a text field and then individually type each letter of the words that you want to enter. But there's also a way that you can type on your iPhone by sliding your finger across the keyboard to enter a word instead. You can enable this option by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and choose the General option from this menu, and then you can scroll down again and select Keyboard here. Now you just need to find the Slide to Type option and then tap the button to the right of it to enable it. Now you can open an app that uses the keyboard, such as Notes or Messages, and then you can tap inside of a text field to bring up the keyboard, and then rather than just typing the word that you wanted to enter, you can tap and hold on the keyboard and then drag your finger to the individual letters that you want to enter into that word, and then that's going to type the word once you release your finger from the keyboard.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.